Save hundreds on holiday travel just by following these 6 tips. Coming up next. Hey guys, I'm Yesenia. If you're new to our channel, we're WealthFit, and we want to help you lead a life of true wealth. We're going to do that today by saving you some money on your next holiday trip.
Thanksgiving break!
All right, number 6, be flexible with your flight dates. You've probably heard this before, but this is a fantastic way to save some money. So try and book your flights on either Tuesday or Wednesday, as these dates are usually the least expensive dates to fly, while Friday and Sunday, they're usually the most expensive. A few booking engines we like using include Skyscanner, Kayak, Hipmunk, or Hopper, where it's easy to see the prices either a few days ahead or after when you're looking to book.
Oh, interesting. Continue.
Number 5, bum a ride. Depending on how long you're away, those airport parking lot fees can seriously add up fast. Ask a friend to drop you off and pick you up at the airport. Then obviously offer to return the favor the next time they go on a trip. It's a simple way to possibly save you some serious dough. Number 4, road trip tips. Make sure your car is tuned up before you go. Check the pressure of your car tires, use the right oil to increase the mile usage, watch your luggage. The heavier your car, the more fuel you'll use, so make sure to pack light. Also, pack inside your car and not on top. And you can even figure out your fuel cost with Gas Buddy's trip calculator. Number 3, stay for nearly free. If you're traveling up to see family or friends, schmooze your way into their spare bedroom.
Knock, knock.
Hey, friend! Boom, money a night saved. They should be offering for you to stay for free, but you know, not everyone does. Just be sure to at least bring a nice gift for them so that you're not a freeloader. Popular ideas are gift cards. Maybe you could treat them to a nice dinner at their favorite restaurant. You could offer to babysit so that they have a date night, or just be creative. It is an inconvenience for them, so just be a good guest and be grateful.
Wait! Dude, you are like the best friend ever.
Number 2, ship your presents. Let's face it, presents can take up a lot of room, especially if you're traveling with like a little bag or something. So how will you pack your favorite ugly Christmas sweater and your nephew's new Lego set? You can't do it, sister. So ship it to your destination and let your Christmas cheer abound in all of its glory. You can use the site Lugless to price out and purchase shipping for your stuff with services ranging from do-it-yourself drop-off to doorstep pickup and delivery. Sounds super easy. And even if shipping isn't cheaper, it will usually be easier than lugging around extra stuff and waiting around at the baggage claim. So you tell me. And finally, number 1, rent out your home while you're away. Why not make money? This is more of a way for you to make money while you're on vacation. Let somebody else pay a chunk of your mortgage and probably a chunk of your Christmas presents too. While you're away, you won't even be there. Airbnb and HomeAway are just a few great options where you could earn between $75 to $200 a night. Bonus tip, you can even rent out your car while you're away with Turo or a similar service.
Money.
So hey, if you got value in this video, hit subscribe so you don't miss out on our next one. Number 5. Ship your presents and your pants. Oh, too much? Did I overdo it?